Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to review my favorite launcher. It's very simple and easy to use, and the best thing about this launcher is that it's completely free. But it also offers a premium plan for some advanced features. But the free version offers enough features. So here you can see I have docked my desktop with this launcher. So if I tap on it, I have options to disable or temporarily disable this, and then if I again tap, I can see some more settings. So now if I go to home settings, you can see all the settings for this launcher, and it's called Hyperion launcher. And here you can see currently the status is free, but some features are for paid users. So under the theming sections, first of all we have colors. So you can choose from different themes: light, dark, black and transparent. So if you choose dark, you can see it is a dark theme. Then we also have accent color, and under search bar we have options for desktop and dock search bar, and we can also display drawer search bar. You can also change background or icon colors, and then we have options for widget items. If you enable this option, you can see settings for icons, and you also have options for folder background. If we go back, then we have iconography. So you can see all the settings. We have options for desktop, dock, drawer and folder. If you go to desktop, you can see icon customization feature, and you can also change the size of icons. Personally, I prefer small icons, so that's why I have reduced the size of icons. Then if you go back for the dock, you can also change the icon size for the dock, and then we have some more options. We have options for drawer and folder. Under the layout category, we have options for interface, grids and widgets. If you go to interface, you can see we have desktop, dock and drawer. So here you can see I have enabled the option for desktop lock. Then we also have options for scrolling wallpaper, status and navigation bar, icon colors and some more options. For the dock, you can see I have enabled the dock. You can also choose from the style. We have flat and round dock. You can also display app drawer icon. So if I go back, you can see currently I don't have any icon here. You can see I don't have any icon. So if I enable app drawer icon, you should see the app drawer icon. Now here you can see app drawer icon. But I don't like this one, so that's why I have disabled this feature. You can also enable the blur feature, custom height, drawer indicator and some other options. So here you can see drawer indicator option. So let me show you how it works. So when you make changes, it takes some time. That's why you can see the black background color. Currently it is updating the settings, and here you can see app drawer icon. If we go back under interface, we also have drawer settings and some more settings. For the grids, you can see we have different options for grids. You can reduce or increase the column size, or you can also increase or decrease the rows. if you go to gestures, you can see some more settings, but most of the features are for the premium users. Under animations, we also have some settings, and if you go to profile manager, you can see some settings. We also have options for integrations, and you can display Google Feed and some other options. And another great feature of this freelancer is that you can also hide apps. So as you can see, select apps to hide, so you can hide any app from the available list. So as you can see, I have here I have hidden UC browser, and here you can see do not hide. You can also uh, choose settings, but it is for premium users. And then we have options for hide in search, so you can also hide this app from search. But if you don't hide it from search, let me show you how it works. Now here you cannot see UC browser, but if I search for UC browser, you can see it is available here. So this is a great feature. You can hide your favorite applications or some important applications. So overall, this is a great free launcher. It offers enough features, and it is really lightweight. I also used Microsoft Launcher, but Microsoft Launcher really slows down my smartphone. That's why I have switched from Microsoft Launcher to Hyperion Launcher. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.